The people who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, please. So hey guys, what's up? So as we know that many motorcycle company has finally waked up. They have started launching their new BS6 bikes and scooters. Like recently Yamaha has launched their upgraded version of FZ25. Honda has launched their BS6 Lancia scooter, and also they are very much awaited the Honda Hornet 2.0. Well, I have recently made a video on this bike. You can also check it out in the I button. So after seeing this new bike launches, I thought that many more awaited bikes are coming very soon in India. Some of them are confirmed and some of them are expected. So today I am going to talk about top 6 upcoming bikes which we can see in India at the end of 2020. So guys, don't skip the video, watch this video till the end because this video will be a very exciting video. And why we are wasting time? Let's quickly start the video. So without any wasting time, let's push the gears. Number 6. Honda CB150R. This bike is known as the successor of CB650R or the small brother of CB650R. The Honda CB150R is a cafe racer type of sport commuter, and the design of this bike made quite stunning. About the performance, it produces 16 horsepower and 13 Nm of torque, and it got a 6-speed manual gearbox. Even it comes with dual channel ABS setup, which is quite a good thing. Even in this bike also you will get a USD fork like the Honda Hornet 2.0. More about features, it will get digital cluster with gear indicator, LED headlamp and tail lamp and many more. If this bike launches in India, it will compete with none other than the Yamaha MT-15, FCS V3, Apache 160 and Pulsar NS 160. Well, it has been a year this bike has been launched globally to the market, and many reviews have also came of this bike from other neighbor countries, where they have given a very low rating to this bike, and according to them this bike gives a very less mileage in this segment, which is not a very good point. Suspensions are very harder and comes with many issues, and the seats are not so very comfortable also. The expected price of this bike is around rupees 1.30 to 1.40 lakhs as expected, and we can see this bike at the end of the year 2020. Number 5. Yamaha XSR 155. This bike is the successor of the legendary Yamaha RX100 or the modern version of RX100. Now this bike is also a cafe racer commuter, and the design looks quite similar to the none other than the Ducati Scrambler, especially when you look at the back. About the engine, it got the same engine which the Yamaha R15 and MT-15 has got. For your knowledge, it got a 19 horsepower and 14 Nm of torque, and it will get us the same 6-speed manual gearbox. More than there is nothing unique feature in this bike, means you will get a MT-15's or R15's engine in a retro looking design bike or in Ducati Scrambler's replica body. About the price, its expected price is around 1.50 to 1.60 lakh rupees. If this bike launches, it will compete with none other than the Bajaj Avenger 220. Number 4. Suzuki GSX-S 150. It is another Suzuki Naked 150cc bike which will be a very fun to ride bike. The design of this bike is very muscular, and over this list I love this bike's design. According to me, about the power and the performance, it will claim 18.90 horsepower and 14 Newton meter of torque and comes with 6-speed manual gearbox. About the engine, you will see a single cylinder liquid cooled engine, which is a good thing, and the mileage is very aggressive, about 49 kmpl it will give you. You will get a single channel ABS setup, and about the comfort, you will get a monoshock suspension seats, or you will see a split seat setups. Moreover, you will see digital console with gear indicator, LED headlamp, tail lamp, and many more. It will compete with none other than the Yamaha MT-15 only. The expected price of this bike is around rupees 1.50 lakhs. According to me right now. Number 3. Honda CB150R 2020. The Honda CB150R 2020 is a sports faring bike, and this is the second generation of CB150R. The design of this bike is very nicer, but comes about the performance, it is the lowest performing bike in this segment. It produces 17 horsepower and 14 Newton meter of torque and comes with 6-speed manual gearbox. About the engine, it will get 4-stroke 1-cylinder, and it will claim a good mileage around 35 to 45 kmpl. It will compete with none other than the R15, KTM RC125 and Gixxer SF155, and the price expected of this bike is around 1.70 lakh rupees. Number 2. Efideale RS150. Well, this bike is the smallest brother of the Efideale RS family. About the design, it is a very outdated design which this bike has got. About the performance, it will get 18 horsepower and 14 Newton meter of torque. It will come with dual channel ABS, alloy wheels, and the other feature which this bike has got are very much outdated, like the speedometer outdated, forks and suspensions outdated, and even it got all halogen setup. Means seriously.
Are you comedy me?
Well, if this bike launches, it will compete with R15, RC125 and other faring sports bike in this segment. The expected price of this bike is around rupees 1.50 to 1.70 lakh rupees should come in this price. And the always on the last top awaited bike one. Number 1. Suzuki GSSR 150. Well, this is a Suzuki's 150cc sports faring bike and the smallest brother of GSSR family. This bike comes with lots of interesting features, like it has a keyless start in this segment. Means if this bike comes in our market means it will be a totally hit product from Suzuki, man. This bike gets the same engine which the Suzuki GSSR 150 get. You will get to see many electronic features like automatic switch gears, suspension adjustment control, many more. About the safety also, it will get dual channel ABS, common thing. If this bike launches, it will direct compete with the R15, which is the 150cc faring topper right now. The expected price of this bike is around rupees 1.80 to 2 lakh rupees. So this is all about top 6 upcoming bikes, and write down in the comment section that which one is your favorite bike out of the 6 bikes. Please write it and share with us. And if you like this video, then please click on the thumbs up button please. And if you are a car and bike enthusiast, then please subscribe our channel The Motorages and join our family. And please follow us on Instagram, link in the descriptions. And share this video to the maximum people who you know. So guys, Meet you at the next video. Till now, bye.